scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Java list methods are tricky, but we will solve this code segment together. Let's break down the logic right now. First, look at the set method inside that first loop. In Java, the set method replaces an element, but crucially returns the old value that was originally stored at that index. So, as the loop runs, it prints Alex, Bob, and Carl because those were the original names. Meanwhile, every single slot in our list is being updated to the name Alex. The second loop prints the list contents. Since everything changed to Alex, the second line is Alex repeated 3 times. Option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps for success.